Today I'm making birthday presents for a famous cat that I know. His name is Cheeto. He was found by my boyfriend's sister under a car in the PetSmart parking lot, and he has recently gone viral on TikTok for giving the finger.
Oh, yeah. Middle fingers in the air, fuck you twice. Oh, yeah.
Oh, put it down!
Just a dabble, do ya?
2 shots of vodka.
Oh my god, it's like liquid Cheeto. I'm gonna let this dry before I do the second coat. It's dry. It's kind of like, never mind. My mom's watching. Hi, Mom. The stash. I did not leave any seam allowance.